All right, if you're not a fan of the heat and humidity, it's not going to last too much longer. We just have to get through today before some relief moves in. And speaking of today's heat, it's going to be warm, certainly above average, but not quite to the level of breaking or tying any records. 96 and 97 from 2008 are the records for the Hartford and Bridgeport areas. Right now, we're 80 in Bridgeport, 86 at Windsor Locks, so just 4 degrees away from making heat wave number 1 of the year, 5 days in duration. 85 Willimantic, close to 80 right now in the Northwest Hills. So once we hit 90, not only does our heat wave continue today, but our total of 90-degree days for the year will climb to 7 days. In addition to it, of course, being unseasonably warm, we've got dew point values close to 70, if not above, making it feel like 90. In Hartford, also Windsor Locks, close to 90. Meriden, also Willimantic and Putnam. So New Haven right now feeling like 88 degrees. Speaking of the Elm City, you can see the sun and clouds there. West wind at 7, more of the same looking live from Waterbury. Our view from New London showing a similar sky condition as well as we make our way into Hartford as well, looking toward the east from a top part for 21, sun and clouds. So with enough sunshine, again, temperatures could reach or exceed the 90-degree mark inland. We're quiet right now in the state's only live Doppler radar, but that will likely change as we head through the afternoon as a cold front to our north sinks southward. So along that boundary, not much happening right now, but notice behind that boundary, dew point values go from the 70s to the 50s. So that's the drier air that's going to be arriving as we head toward daybreak tomorrow as that front moves south and offshore. So through the afternoon, we shouldn't see storms develop to the intensity or coverage that we saw yesterday, kind of spottier this afternoon. As we head toward and past the evening commute, things should start to wind down, and then we'll get some partial clearing underway as we head toward daybreak. So at least some sunshine by early tomorrow morning and a good amount of sunshine right on through our Thursday afternoon. So dew point values this evening at 8 o'clock, still upper 60s near 70, but overnight as that front pushes offshore, the wind direction shifts and that drier air filters into southern New England, by early tomorrow morning, dew point values going from the 50s into the 40s. So that's going to feel quite nice. We're going to start the day tomorrow in the 60s, so not quite as warm as the past several mornings. Eventually looking for morning lows to be into the 50s as we head into the upcoming weekend. If you've not heard, we do have an eclipse happening, a partial eclipse as we head into early tomorrow morning. The peak is going to be happening. It's going to already be underway, I should say, prior to the sun rising. The peak for us at 5:33, which is a little bit after sunrise, and it's going to be quick to end at around 6:32. So what type of eclipse? Again, it's a partial one. This is the first one since August of 2017. It's an annular one, meaning a ring as the new moon crosses in front of the sun, but it's not going to entirely block it for our perspective from here in southern New England. If you're going to look tomorrow morning, it's going to be low in the sky and 73% obscured at that point. So past tomorrow, again, we're looking at cooler weather, mid-70s on Friday, dry weather, mid to upper 70s as we head through the weekend. I did add a chance for rain and storms later Sunday. That will also be the case Monday of next week. For shoreline highs this weekend, 72 on Saturday, 74 on Sunday.